Today, I and my friend Mariam, we both are going to tell you what is a cash register. Now, in this round, I am a customer and my friend Mariam is a shopkeeper. So, let's play the drama. Now this, I have came to a mall and I'm going to do the shopping. And this is the bag in which I'm going to keep the things. In which I'm going to keep the things. Now, and this is my credit card of Senora. Now, let's start the shopping. Now, I need. First, let me check. Wait a minute. I need a ketchup. Um, okay, this is a ketchup. I'm going to keep it in my bag. And now, this is a cool distillable water. And I'm going to take 2.5 liters. And now I'm going to take this too. And what is this? It's a crore pati. Okay, I'm too going to take this. And now, here is a Happy Farm pure milk. And I'm going to take this too. So, and the next is for my sweet. For my alarm, I'm going to take this cute little alarm. And now, I'm also going to take it. Now, I have the most which I love to eat is this 7-color candy. I love this a lot. And now, I will keep this in my bag. And now, today's shopping of mine is over. And now, my friend Mariam, I'm going to give this all to her and she will count and tell me the total amount. Now, good morning, Mariam.
Hi.
Please take. I have done a shopping and I want you to rate it.
Okay, as you wish.
Wow, that's my favorite.
7 colorful candy.
What?
First we will on this and first we will take a
Pixie.
middle of this. And it is cost of rupees 100. And this is Happy Farm Pure Milk, and it is also having this, and we have to put it on here only, otherwise it will not come to rate. It is cost 150, and this cool bottle is of rupees. It is cost of 100, so we have 350. And we have the Haizu ketchup, and it is cost of 200. And we have this Karopati Anargoli. It is cost of 150. At last we have this little alarm for early morning. And it is cost of 200. And we will total it how much rupees it costs. It costs 1000 rupees. Ma'am, Ma'am, your total amount is 1,000.
Thank you.
So,
Credit
बाद
card.
में आप ही तुम बोलेंगे. So today I have done shopping of rupees 1,000.
So friends, today I have shopped 1,000 rupees. Can you imagine 1,000 rupees? Here's a credit card.
Thanks, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, please your code. Code.
Thanks.
Thanks. Ma'am, come for shopping.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching
this
video.
Thanks for watching this video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.